That's getting replaced at a later date. These are going away for pendants over the island. Recess light is going away. And adding another switch here. And yeah, let's see how it goes.
Don't be scared now. Don't be scared now. Giving them hell now. I'm starting to see them sweat. Don't be scared now. Don't be scared now. I'm giving them hell now. I'm trying to walk in my souls, it's like bare feet on hot coals. Soon as I start heating up, the whole block froze. I came in with not an ordinary name. How many Nasers? How many top tier? How many not here? There's something in the name that's different from theirs. Depicted in scripture, holding two dragons blowing flames. Sorry it ain't go the same for y'all. They say Allah, please explain Allah. You got body or do you praise Allah? And still rock crosses all on your chain Allah. I'm scorching, and I never forced it. Even when forces and powers that be went against me, y'all use that as an excuse. You dudes cannot convince me. Trick me out my spot, y'all want my shit like Sherman Hemsley. I'm debunking the blackball myth, the facts more or less. I might hurt your feelings, but yo, sometimes it actually is victimization. Mix that with some entitlement, it's bound to explode. I make them stop, drop, and roll. Move to the side with it, there's no stopping it. I'm rap's arsonist. Don't be scared now. Don't be scared now. Giving them hell now. I'm starting to see them sweat. Don't be scared now. Don't be scared now. I'm giving them hell now. I must say I am what I am. They said I wouldn't survive, look at me, damn. Like the tip of the barrel that's on the wham. He's on fire, NBA Jam. I was alone, like, you know, I was making some moves. I need to like concentrate and chill, but I was just getting all these calls and everything, and it's like telling me like you on fire.